Are you experiencing issues while booting from your SSD? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Solid-state drives are a faster upgrade to the traditional hard disk drives. SSDs beat HDDs not only in speed but also in performance and durability. This video isn't about how great SSDs are and why you should upgrade. It's about an issue users have experienced when booting from your SSD. Let's get started. Method 1. Enable legacy boot on the BIOS. Power off your computer and turn it back on. Immediately it starts to boot. Press F2 repeatedly until the BIOS setup utility screen shows up. Here, you can navigate to neighboring tabs using the left and right directional buttons. Go to the Boot tab using the directional button and scroll down to the UEFI or BIOS boot mode option. Hit the Enter key and you will be asked to make a selection. Move the cursor to the legacy boot mode and press Enter to select it. Now exit the BIOS menu and let your machine continue the Windows startup using legacy boot. The process may differ slightly in the motherboards of different manufacturers. Method 2. Reset the BIOS settings. There are several ways to reset the BIOS, but the safest and most non-technical method is by doing it from the UEFI or BIOS menu. First, restart your computer. Hold down the Shift key while the PC boots and you will arrive at the Advanced Troubleshooting Options screen. Go to Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and select UEFI Firmware Settings. Finally, continue restarting your machine. On startup, you will be taken to a setup menu. Here, look for the reset button. The button doesn't necessarily have to be labeled reset. The manufacturer can call it anything. Check settings areas such as configuration, settings, options, etc. On the settings page, hit the button to load the default BIOS options and click on yes when asked to authenticate the entry. You can now leave the advanced settings and booting options area. On completion of the process, your BIOS settings would return to their original values and can now boot from the SSD. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.